ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Learning Management System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today we are going to study about voltage regulation and Zener diode as a voltage regulator in this session 6 of chapter Semiconductors and Diodes of the subject Analog Electronics. So before going to session 6, let me have a brief summary on previous session. In the previous session, we studied about Zener diode, VI characteristics of Zener diode and application of Zener diode. So first, let me see what is this Zener diode. Zener diode is a heavily doped PN junction diode. This diode in the forward biased condition, it is similar to the ordinary PN junction diode. In reversed biased condition, it is operating. So VI characteristics of Zener diode. In this VI characteristics, we have forward biased characteristics and reversed biased characteristics. In the forward biased characteristics, it is like a normal PN junction diode. In the reversed biased characteristics, so diode operates without destroying or without any breakdown. This Zener diode operates in the reversed biased condition. Next, coming to the application of Zener diode, the first major application of Zener diode is as a voltage regulator, and then it is used in surge suppressors, peak clipping, switching application, then metering application. Meter application, this Zener diode has been used. So all these things we have studied in the previous session, that is session 5. Next, coming to session 6. In this session 6, we are going to study about voltage regulation and Zener diode as a voltage regulator. The first thing we are going to study here is voltage regulation. In this voltage regulation, we are going to study about the definition of voltage regulation. So, voltage regulation is defined as maintaining stabilized voltage across the load in spite of variations in the supply voltage or load current. That is, so variation in the supply voltage. If the supply voltage is varied or a load current is varied, the output voltage will be constant. This will call it as a voltage regulation. So voltage regulation means maintaining a constant voltage at the output even if the variations in the supply voltage or the load current. This will call it as an voltage regulation. Next, we're moving on to working of Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So Zener diode as a voltage regulator, that too we are studying about shunt voltage regulator. So the circuit diagram is shown here. In the circuit diagram, you can see here the input voltage is V in. This is an unregulated DC, and the resistance that is connected with the Zener diode is Rs. The current flowing through this resistance is Is, and this is the current Iz that is flowing to the Zener diode Vz. So Vz is the voltage across the Zener diode. Next, IL is the load current and RL is the load resistance. Next, you can see the V out. So that is the output of this one. Okay, so this is about the circuit diagram as a shunt voltage regulator. So coming to the working, so we are going to considering four cases. The first case for this working is input voltage Vin is constant and IL increases. So the input voltage, this is our input voltage is maintained constant and this ILS increases. So when the input voltage is constant, when the ILS increased, then what happens to the output voltage? So let me see in this first case now. By applying KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law, IS is equal to IZ plus IL. Can see here the current flowing through the resistance is IS, that is divided into two parts, that is IZ plus IL. So IS will be equal to IZ plus IL. So when Vn is constant, when the input voltage is constant, this current Is is constant. Next, if IL is increased, if this IL is increased, so from this equation, Iz is equal to Is minus IL. So this Iz get decreases now. This Iz gets decreases. Even if this Iz gets decreased, the voltage Vz is constant. So this is the characteristics of the Zener diode. So the voltage is maintained constant. So when Vz is constant, our output Vout is constant. So this is about the first case. So coming to the second case. In the second case, the input voltage Vin is constant and IL decreases. That is, in the circuit, Vin is constant, IL decreases. By applying KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law, Is is equal to Iz plus IL. We know this one. When Vn is constant, our is also remains constant, but this il is decreased. When this il is decreased, this iz increases. When this iz is increases, vz is constant. So this vz is constant because the characteristics of the Zener diode is to maintain a constant voltage, so that our output voltage Vout is also constant. So will this is the second case as a working of Zener diode as a voltage regulator. Next, coming to third case, that is when input VNS increases. When input Vn is increased and this load is constant, that is IL is constant. When this IL is constant, when the input Vn is increases, so let me see what happens now. When Vn is equal to, so by applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, applying Kirchhoff's voltage law to this circuit, Vn is equal to Is into Rs plus Vz. This is at the input side. At the output side, Vout will be equal to Vz, that is equal to Vin minus Is Rs, and this Is will, we know that Is is equal to Iz plus IL. If Vn increases, if this Vn is increasing, then our Is also increases. As this IL is constant, this Iz increases. When this Iz is increases, this Vz is constant. Increase in Vn is compensated by additional ISRS drop. Hence, voltage Vout is maintained constant. Okay, this is the third case, how the voltage is maintained constant even this Vn is increased and the load current IL is constant. Moving on to next case, that is when Vn decreases. When Vn decreases and this load current is constant. That is, you can see in this diagram, when Vn decreases, the load current IL is constant. Applying KVL to this circuit, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law to this circuit, input side, this is our input side, that is Vn is equal to Is into Rs plus Vz, and the output side Vout will be equal to Vz, that is equal to Vin minus Is into Rs, and Is is equal to Iz plus IL. If Vin decreases, if this is decreases, our Is also decreases, but this IL is maintained constant. This Iz gets decreases, but this Vz is constant. So increase in V in is compensated by reduced IS into RS drop. Hence, load voltage, that is the output voltage V out is maintained constant. In this way, the output voltage is maintained constant. In this working of Zener diode as a voltage regulator, we saw four cases. In these four cases, the output voltage is maintained constant even if the input voltage is increased or input voltage is decreased. Working of Zener diode as a voltage regulator, we saw all the four cases. So that is Vn is increasing and Vn is decreasing. The IL is constant or IL can be increased or decreased. In all the four cases, the output voltage is constant. So this is about the working of the Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So next, let me have a revision on this today's session. So in this revision, so there is some MCQ questions, that is multiple choice question. The first question is the Zener diode is used as the Zener diode is used as a voltage regulator. The Zener diode is used as an voltage regulator. So next question is Zener diode is designed specifically work in which region without getting damaged. So normally the Zener diode is operated in the breakdown region. In this breakdown region, it is not damaged even if we increase the reverse current. The third question is in a Zener regulator, when the output terminals are open, the load current becomes zero. When the output terminals are zero, the load current will be zero. The answer is zero here. Zen, the next moving on to the fourth question, Zener diode is reversed bias when its anode is dash than the cathode. When it's in the reversed biased condition, when its anode is more negative than the cathode. Here the anode is more negative than the cathode. The answer is more negative. The next question is the fifth question. Voltage regulators keeps a constant dash output voltage when the input or load varies within the limits. So this voltage regulators keeps the output voltage constant. The output voltage, that too the DC voltage is constant. So the answer is DC. The next is a sixth question. In the sixth question, dash type of regulators offer inherent short circuit protection. So voltage regulators, the two shunt voltage regulators are used for short circuit protection. The answer is shunt regulators. Next, the seventh question. How is the breakdown region set during the manufacturing of the diode? How this breakdown region is set? This background region is set by considering the doping level of the diode. By controlling the doping level of the diode, this breakdown region has been set. The answer for the seventh question is by controlling the doping of the diode. The next question is a Zener diode with a high breakdown voltage has a dash. When the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode is high, when it then it is lightly doped P and N type. The P and N type will be very lightly doped when it is having a high breakdown voltage. The answer is lightly doped P and N type. So these are certain multiple choice questions on the session 6. Next, let me have a descriptive question. So, certain descriptive questions for this one. The normal question is the first question is define voltage regulation. We studied this one. Voltage regulation is maintaining a stabilized or a constant voltage in spite of variations in the input voltage or the load current. We'll call it as an voltage regulation. Next question is explain Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So Zener diode as a voltage regulator with a circuit diagram we saw that there are four cases here. The first case is when the Vn increases, The second case is when the decreases, when the Vn is constant. So when the load current is constant, when the load current increases, all the four cases we saw that one with the circuit diagram and with the with this uh, with the equations and all. We saw that even if the all the changes in the input voltage or the load current, the output voltage is maintained constant. So next, there is a small quiz question here. There is a small quick quiz question. Figure shows a basic Zener diode circuit. What will be the circuit behavior? So there are three circuits here. In these three circuits, let me see how the Zener diode behaves. Behavior of a Zener diode in these circuits. The first is working properly. In the first circuit, can say that the input voltage given is plus 12 volts, a series resistance is 1K, the Zener voltage is 6 volts, the output resistor is 5K. So when the Zener is working properly under proper condition as a voltage regulator, the output voltage is 6 volts, that is across the 5K ohm resistor, the output voltage will be 6 volts. Next question is, when the circuit is Zener diode is short circuited. When the Zener diode is short circuited, what happens? When the Zener diode is short circuited, the output voltage V out will be equal to 0 volts. The next is when the Zener diode is open circuited. What happens when the Zener diode is open circuited? Then the output voltage will be equal to 10 volts. Okay, so uh, this is entirely about the session 6. In this session 6, we discussed about voltage regulation and working of Zener diode as a voltage regulator, and some MCQ questions we discussed, and some descriptive questions also we discussed, and a small quiz question also we discussed. Thank you.